Good day, sir, madam. My name is Lenny Castro. I was born on January 2, 1983. I am 30 years old. I live at Valenzuela City, Metro Manila, Philippines. I am a hardworking person. I worked before at Mrs. Santos' house as a plain housemaid. I also know how to taking care of babies, children. I also know how to do the household chores, such as cleaning the house, cooking the food, washing clothes, ironing, and gardening. I want to go to Hong Kong to earn more money to support my family needs, especially the studies of my child. If I hired, I promise I will do my best as I can, and I will serve my employer honestly. Thank you.